Okay, guys, we're here in Nanshan, Shenzhen, and we're here at the Meituan company, watching the drones as they take off to prepare to send packages to the companies. Let's have a look, guys. So here we have many of them here. These things are quite large. You know, they're not small. They're quite large in size. I guess they would have to be to carry such large packages. So you see that one over there straight ahead in that corner here. See where it takes off. And see where it sends the intended package. Okay, we have one drone here just trying to land on our bed. Okay, guys, isn't that amazing? So we're here in Shenzhen, China, which is in the southern part of southern China. Home to DJI, home to WeChat, and home to Meituan. You see a lot of influencers, they wear the microphone on their chest. It's called DJI. That particular microphone, it is produced in here in Shenzhen, China. Alright, guys. See that one in the corner I was referring to before? I'm trying to take off. Alright, look at it, guys. It's taking off. It's taking off and sending the package to the customer. Another one here. Another drone here. And that one is returning. So that one is gets sent the package to the customer, and it's returning here to land. So we're actually seeing Meituan here, where it's actually sending the products off, the packages off to the customer. And we're actually here seeing that in real time, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for today here in Nanshan, Shenzhen, China.